Hello, Sunrid students. Today I'm gonna show you how to access Microsoft Teams and also how to navigate a little through it. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay. So remember on the previous video I showed you how to access your email and Clever. Well, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go into your email this time. Okay. Once you go onto your email, okay, like this one, you're gonna click on that little waffle corner over here, and you're gonna click on Teams, okay, and I could open in a new tab. Teams will come out, okay. So this is your Teams page, okay. You could download the app. I'll tell you if you want to download the app. That way you get notifications of when the assignments come in. You'll have all of your teachers, okay, whatever teachers you have. And if you go ahead and go in, right here where it says Teams, that's where all your teams will pop out, okay. You'll have assignments, so you could also click per class, okay. So for example, let's see right here it shows that there's already an assignment available, so you could click on it, and up here you could contact, or like it's kind of like a chat where you could contact your teacher, contact if there's conversations going on. You could go in here. You could also, if you want to just go into files, if they sent specific files, and class notes and assignments. Assignments is where you will go. See, there are assignments right here. So you would click on these, okay? And there's a way for you to submit. The teacher will give you instructions there on how to submit, and you're done, okay. Again, post here is like a little chat, so you could contact your teacher, okay, or any conversation that they may have, any questions you might have with your teacher or with other in your group. Alright, so if you have any other questions, you could go ahead and contact your teachers again through your email or even here through Teams, okay? Good luck!